Teachers use slides for their lessons all the time these days. Google Slides or PowerPoint or Keynote, and they can be great. They can be like a compass, guiding your instruction to help students along their intellectual journey, or they can be more of a crutch, leading to guys like this just jabbering on and on and on, reading all the text that's on the slides. So if you find yourself clicking through slides like this with maybe something you found on Google Images, lots of text that you just read to students or ask students to read to you, with disconnected visuals and a layout that doesn't really make it clear what to focus on, imagine how your students might react differently to lessons that looked more like this, that were highly visual, with a compelling hook to grab students' attention, that are clean and clear and guide students' focus of what to pay attention to, with just a few consistent visuals and minimal text that animates in one by one to make sure that students are paying attention to what you want them to pay attention to, that meaningfully incorporate visuals and animation to convey concepts really clearly in an engaging way so that students learn and understand the material better. I'm Aaron Lanou. I am a staff developer, an inclusive education coach and presenter, and in my PD for teachers, I try to make slides that are clear and compelling, using visual and animations to convey concepts clearly and memorable to adults. And if you would like to join me to learn how to do the same thing for your students, come to Savvy Slide Design, Mastering Keynote for Engaging Lessons. We're going to be talking about key Keynote features, like how to use visuals, movement like animation, and even some sound. Why not? So that we can minimize the impact on students' working memory, be very aware of the impact of cognitive load, and instead create lessons that are engaging and clear and memorable for students. It does require having either a Mac or an iPad, since we're going to be focusing specifically on Keynote, where all of these features can be used most effectively. Consider joining me on July 17th and make your slides savvy for your students.